Hi guys, it's Dee. Welcome back to my channel. I have just a kind of a quick video for you today, and it's going to be a little different than what I've been doing. Um, I was on my way home from town today, and I got to thinking about my dad and Father's Day, and this coming up in June, and um, for those of you who don't know, we lost my dad in February 19th. He was 91 years old and basically died from dementia. And boy, I miss him. Anyway, I got to thinking, boy, this will be the first Father's Day that I won't be able to make a card for him. And I was really feeling sad about that. Anyway, so on the way home, I thought, what if I make a few simple Father's Day cards, and then the first few people who request one of them that I'm going to show you, I will send free of charge. I just thought that would be a good way to be able to make something in honor of a dad. And I know if my dad were here, he would love that idea. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. And so I'm going to show you what I've made. This is the first one that I made. And like I said, these are simple. They're not elaborate. I have taken these leaf dies by Sizzix and Tim Holtz, and I have die cut some of the leaf shapes. I will say this one in particular did not cut very well. I was really disappointed. So basically what is supposed to happen, let me see if I can get it closer for you to see. See these little spaces? All those little spots are supposed to be die cut. And here's what I ended up doing, because the little spots in the foliage did not want to punch out, and I went through the die cutting machine twice. I put paper shims, and it just wasn't working. So I thought, well, I'm going to die cut some more and just leave all that in. So that's what I did on this one, and just kind of a simple panel of paper, kind of a brown and kind of a mint green, and with Dad on there. Now I did leave these blank because I do not have an official Happy Father's Day stamp. So if you're okay with that, I will just leave it blank like that, and then you can write on the inside. And by the way, whoever receives these, I will send along an envelope that you can use to put your card in. Okay, so that's taken care of. And here's another one. Now this is a little different. Instead of doing just the basic white die cuts of the leaves, I rolled with the Distress Oxide Mowed Lawn color and my brayer that I don't have here, but I rolled over it with the brayer and got the color that you have here on the leaves. So then this is the third one. This is a little different. It's maybe just a little bit more, what's the word I want? Kind of organic maybe. And I just did the strips of cardstock that I had, and then this is what they're supposed to look like with all the middle parts punched out. So these evidently weren't too hard, and so I was able to do those. Anyway, so if you, I should show you the ink that I used for the For My Father and for the Dad stamps. I use the Simon Says Stamp Dark Chocolate Dye Ink. And then, of course, here's the Distress Oxide Mowed Lawn that I use for the leaves here to roll over with the brayer. And, of course, each of them has the Handcrafted by Love, with Love by, and then I will sign my name if that's all right. So anyway, each of these cards will have an envelope to go along that you can give to your dad. And anyway, oh, I hope this is okay. I'm just feeling a little emotional today, so missing my dad. So anyway, if you would like one of these cards, and I'm just going to take first come, first served, if that's all right. Excuse me. First come, first served, and I will, if you will let me know, then we can message each other with your contact information so I can mail this card out to you with the envelope. So, okay, guys, I mowed the lawn today, so I'm kind of got a little stuff going on in my chest. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for watching. And you know what? If your dads are still around, give them a big hug and some love. Bye, guys.